Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor on your phone. So this works on iOS and Android, no jailbreak. It's super awesome. So to download it, we're going to go over to this site, hexmods.com, and we're going to go to the search bar, and we're going to type in Delta. And as you can see, it says Delta Executor, so just press on it, press the download button, and before it downloads, you will have to do a verification, which means downloading some apps, completing the instructions. So these are totally free, and they're from the official App Store. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you guys can see. Alright, so it's a very simple verification. So as you can see, it says please take a few minutes to complete verification. So you just press on the app and it redirects you to the App Store. You're going to be good to go. Some of them are down install run for 30 seconds. Some of them are like reach level 10 in the game, but it doesn't matter. As long as you do the verification, you'll be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super easy, guys, and you will actually get the Delta Executor game on your phone. So super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super easy and it actually works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it because this is super cool and there's no jailbreak needed or anything. So yeah, I mean, we can go to the App Store and see if the Delta Executor is on there, but let me tell you guys, it is not. So let me just type it in. So I'm just going to type in Delta Executor, and as you can see, it is not here. So this is a fake one, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Yep, fake, 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 fake. So that's not it. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe if you guys do want to get the really working Delta Executor. This is how you do it. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, if this video works, you guys be sure to go and share. It works on iOS, works on Android. So yeah, no one's going to come at me and say it doesn't work. It is legit, and it's 2025 method. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.